Future fire trucks, an insight into tomorrow's emergency response. For years, fire trucks have looked familiar. Red bodies, flashing lights, blaring sirens, and large pumps. On the surface, they don't seem to have changed. In reality, however, fire trucks are far from it. Powered by advanced technology, changing safety regulations such as NFPA 1901, and tighter government regulations. A number of members of the Fire Apparatus Manufacturers Association, FAMA, have contributed to developing these technologies, such as smarter systems, improved ergonomics, and more capability in current fire apparatus. But what about next week's episode? As autonomous technology is moving at breakneck speed, people are beginning to wonder increasingly about autonomous fire trucks. Could a fully autonomous vehicle be used for emergency response operations, navigating through traffic, arriving at the scene, or even running the pump? Think about how pressure governors work while pumping. They already automatically control engine RPM and water flow. Such thinking has me look at a partially or fully autonomous fire truck as not being impossible. The future holds more intelligent, safer, more efficient firefighting equipment that will change emergency services in a rapidly changing world. Renault CLA, the autonomous future garbage truck concept. The Renault CLA is a next-generation autonomous waste truck concept that is a futuristic vision for suburban and rural waste collection. The smart truck revolutionizes waste collection by integrating automation, modularity, and environmental sustainability. Still completely autonomous, the CLA follows in tandem with an operator's vehicle, offering smooth coordination on collection routes. Its inspiration comes from vintage Renault retro vans and trucks, combined with the brand's contemporary styling DNA to give it a contemporary futuristic appearance. Central to the CLA is a two-stage modular waste container with front and rear doors for easy loading and unloading. The container contains 40 robotic litter bins, each fixed through guide rails to avoid shifting while in transit. For sanitary reasons, the interior of the container is also lined with bactericidal UV lights, which help to destroy harmful microbes. Constructed from light composite materials and with dirt-repelling surfaces, the CLA is durable and constructed for efficiency and cleanliness in operation. BMW Moto Spirit concept, a visionary leap into the future of motorcycling. The BMW Moto Spirit concept isn't just a motorcycle. It's a bold exploration of what happens when human and machine become one. Born from the legacy of BMW Motorrad, this futuristic concept dares to imagine a world where riding is not only smart, but deeply intuitive. While still a digital concept, the Spirit represents a daring leap into the future of mobility, a machine designed to form a seamless symbiosis between rider and bike. Achieving that harmony in the real world may still be a challenge, but the concept sparks imagination about what's possible. At first glance, you recognize a motorcycle silhouette, but upon closer inspection, it's far from traditional. The skeletal frame immediately stands out, a raw, almost organic design that hints at advanced engineering and futuristic materials. Though it's not ready for the road, the Spirit concept offers a glimpse of what's ahead. A redefined riding experience powered by intelligence, stripped-down aesthetics, and next-generation connectivity. It's not just a bike, it's a vision of the road ahead. Smart carrier vehicles. The future of airport ground operations, smart carriers, or autonomous ground vehicles, AGVs, or autonomous mobile robots, are transforming the manner in which airports manage ground operations. These smart vehicles are designed to optimize efficiency, reduce man workload, and enhance safety in all airport settings. Equipped with a set of sophisticated sensors, ranging from cameras for visual processing, LiDAR for 3D spatial mapping, and ultrasonic sensors for accurate object detection. These smart machines are capable of navigating difficult environments without human intervention. Norte Electric Concept Glider, redesigning the future of soaring. The Norte Electric Concept Glider is an innovative two-seat sailplane conceived with a contemporary sharing system in mind, and thus perfectly suited for independent pilots and gliding clubs alike. Its fundamental purpose: dismantle barriers to access and provide a flexible, user-friendly experience for every kind of flyer. Space perspective. Luxury balloon flights to the edge of space's space perspective will reimagine space tourism with stratospheric balloon flights that give riders stunning vistas of the world from the threshold of space. Test flights of their spaceship Neptune are to commence as early as next year. Capable of carrying a pilot and 8 travelers, the pressurized capsule is to be designed to give a luxurious ride with comfortable seating, bar amenities, restroom amenities, and panoramic windows to offer one-of-a-kind glimpses of the planet against the blackness of space. The ascent is a serene 2-hour ride, the capsule rising to 100,000 feet, about 30,000 meters. It is buoyed by a massive 200-meter, 650-foot, tall hydrogen-filled balloon, offering a smooth, quiet flight. Airspace Cabin Vision 2035. Imagining the air transport of the future aviation now accounts for 2.5% of man-made emissions, and while a great deal has been done since the 1980s, we are only just beginning the transition to a greener future. Airbus is convinced of linking today and tomorrow with one and the same, unmistakable mission: to ensure that coming generations benefit as much from aviation as we do today. There is a strong focus on the aircraft cabin, which represents 10 to 20% of an airplane's own environmental impact. At the same time, customer attitudes are evolving. Research shows that 80% of companies now have sustainable travel policies in place, and 40% of passengers are willing to pay extra for zero-carbon flights. To achieve all these goals, Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 is based on 3 strategic pillars supported by a solidly established roadmap that has been developed with the assistance of key industry stakeholders. It's a visionary and necessary step towards a more sustainable, passenger-focused aviation future.